Hey beautiful beings, let's talk about energy protection and boundaries. From a Kundalini Yoga perspective, if you're an empath, a sensitive soul, or someone who easily absorbs the moods, chaos, or even projections of others, these practices will help you to stay grounded, radiant, and clear, while still showing up fully in your light. Here's why energy protection is key. You cannot serve from a drained aura. When we don't protect our energy, we get reactive, foggy, anxious, and often we don't even realize we've picked up other people's stuff. Here are some Kundalini tools to stay clear and strong. Number one is the Mangala Charan mantra. Ad Gude Name, Jugad Gude Name, Sat Gude Name, Siddhi Guru Deve Name. This mantra is known as the shield of protection. It surrounds your aura with light and calls on divine guidance across time and space. Chant it 3 times before starting your day, getting in your car, before teaching, or walking into heavy energy. It means, I bow to the primal wisdom, I bow to the wisdom throughout the ages, I bow to the true wisdom, I bow to the unseen divine wisdom. Number 2 is Chii-a, Kriya, for energetic boundaries and increased radiance. This naturally deflects negativity and projection. So here's how to do it. The mudra is the Gyan mudra. So we're going to take our index, which is our Jupiter finger, and the thumbs and connect them just like this. The other fingers are very relaxed, super simple. Your eyes will be closed gently and focused inward. The mantra is Had, Hare, Hari, Wa, Hey Guru. And when you chant it, you want to enunciate and exaggerate the movement of your mouth. What this mantra means is the 3 creative aspects of the G-O-D: generating, organizing, delivering, destroying, creative principles of creation. And then Waheguru is the amplification 1,000 times each time that we chant this, and the indescribable ecstasy that begins to occur from chanting these sounds. Here's how we do it. Not only are you enunciating your mouth, but you're chanting clearly and rhythmically, using the tip of the tongue to hit the upper palate, which is stimulating the meridians, the energy points in the mouth that affect your brain and your mood. Here's the movement sequence. Had, Hare, Hari, Wa, Hey, Guru. Had, you stretch the arms out to the sides, elbows straight, palms face forward. Hare, move your hands directly in front of you, elbows by your sides, palms down, forearms perpendicular straight ahead. Hari, bring your hands up by your shoulders. The elbows are still bent by the side and the palms are facing out. Had, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. You'll repeat that flowing sequence 3 to 7 minutes. It's wonderful. To close, you'll inhale deeply, and stretch the arms out, hold the breath for just a moment, and then exhale and bring the hands here to your heart center. You can also protect your energy by taking salt baths to clear energetic residue, wearing black tourmaline or shungite for grounding. All the crystal jewelry and everything I wear is very, very intentional for protection and expansion. And setting this simple intention every morning: only energies aligned with my highest good may enter my field. You don't have to absorb everything to be compassionate. You don't have to say yes to everything to be loving. And for empaths, these tools are not optional, they are essential. And remember, you're not here to carry it all. You're here to shine. Sat Nam, my loves.